Intro music. Hey, gamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming giants, the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series 10. It's time to settle the score and determine which console reigns supreme. Get ready for the ultimate showdown of PS5 versus Xbox Series 10. Alright, let's jump right into it. We'll be comparing these two consoles based on several factors that gamers consider when choosing their gaming platform. Buckle up, because it's going to be an exciting ride. First up, let's talk about performance. Both the PS5 and Xbox Series 10 boast powerful hardware, but there are some differences. The PS5 has an 8-core AMD Zen 2 processor and a custom AMD RDNA 2 GPU, while the Xbox Series 10 features a similar processor and GPU architecture. However, the Xbox Series 10 edges out with slightly higher teraflops and faster memory bandwidth. This means that when it comes to raw performance, the Xbox Series 10 takes the lead. Graphics are a vital aspect of gaming, and both consoles deliver stunning visuals. The PS5 supports ray tracing, which enhances lighting and reflections in games, giving you a more immersive experience. On the other hand, the Xbox Series 10 also supports ray tracing and has a unique feature called Smart Delivery, which allows you to play games in the best possible quality, regardless of the console generation. It's a tough call, but we'll have to say it's a tie when it comes to graphics. Now, let's talk about exclusive games. This is where personal preference comes into play. The PS5 has a strong lineup of exclusive titles like Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Ratchet & Clank, Rift Apart, and Horizon Forbidden West. These games are highly anticipated and have garnered rave reviews. On the other hand, the Xbox Series 10 has its own exclusive titles, including Halo Infinite, Forza Horizon 5, and Fable. Ultimately, the best console for exclusive games depends on your favorite franchises and genres. What about backward compatibility? The Xbox Series 10 takes the crown here. It boasts backward compatibility with thousands of Xbox One, Xbox 360, and even original Xbox games. You can enjoy your favorite classics on the latest hardware. The PS5 also offers backward compatibility with most PS4 games, but the Xbox Series 10 takes the lead with its extensive library. User experience is another crucial factor to consider. The PS5 has a sleek and futuristic design with a user-friendly interface. It offers the DualSense controller, which features haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, providing an immersive gaming experience. On the other hand, the Xbox Series 10 has a more minimalist design, and its user interface is known for its simplicity and ease of use. The choice between the two ultimately comes down to personal preference. Finally, let's talk about pricing and availability. The PS5 and Xbox Series 10 are both in high demand, and availability can be an issue. As for pricing, the Xbox Series 10 is priced slightly lower than the PS5. However, keep in mind that there might be variations in different regions and during different times. Make sure to check the latest prices and availability before making your purchase. So, which is the best console for gamers, the PS5 or the Xbox Series 10? Well, it's a tough decision, as both consoles have their strengths and cater to different gaming preferences. If you're a fan of exclusive titles and immersive experiences, the PS5 might be your best bet. If you prioritize raw performance and backward compatibility, the Xbox Series 10 could be the ideal choice. Ultimately, it comes down to what you value most in a gaming console. And that's a wrap, gamers. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Let us know in the comments which console you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming. Thanks for watching.